Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special unboxing video. I'm not sure if it's Amazon. If it's Amazon, my affiliate link will be down below. If it's a website, their link will be down below. Both are safe to click and check out their goodies, see what they have to offer besides this item. Hopefully you guys had a good day. Everybody is safe. Oh, we got an interesting package. Not sure where to begin. Somewhere over here. Okay, be back. Oh, okay. This is coming from Huanuo. Those guys. This is like a tray. TV tray. With pretty cool. Should be easy to put together. Hopefully by one person. It's adjustable TV tray tab. Black. Okay. This would be cool. Great for kids, you know. Older adults. Or even you. Because you want more room while you eat. Especially everybody on their cell phones, smartphones, tablets. This is going to be a nice piece to put together. Coming up. Alright guys, I kind of mangled it in the process. It's all good though. Boom. It's like a pizza box. Alright, so there's a few things probably have to put together. But it looks simple. They got the holes. They got the manual. Alright, I'll be right back. Alright guys, everything is out. We got the screws right there. Allen wrench. The manual, definitely gonna need. And we got some bars and a little cap. And there's a little tray. Actually, a big tray. But it should be an interesting put together. Definitely gonna need instructions. First time putting one of these together, so hang tight. Okay, first part. See these? You gotta pinch one side and get it leveled, like I did with this side. Came all the way through. There we go. So I just gotta pinch one side. It's kind of hard to do it one-handed. Just kind of gotta get it. Oh, that was not the good spot. That might be a good spot. Oh no. Hold on. There we go. And then once you find your spot, you want to adjust it. Right there. Alright guys, I think I got it in right. Alright, now, next step. Alright guys, next step, take this rod that comes with it, and there's screws at the end, unscrew it. You're going to want to put it through this hole right here. Line it up with this. And then that will make sure it won't wobble. Kind of like that. Somewhere right there. And now we're going to screw it in and be right back. Next step, secure the tray. See these two little hooks? You want to hook it up onto these top bar. Shows in the instructions. Easy peasy. We'll be back. Check this out. There's folded just the height. And watch this. Magic trick. Bam. Cup holder. I think this is where this goes. So you won't spill your coffee while you do some work. I think. Somehow. Oh boy. Look how easy that was. Boop. Now you got room for at least a can of beverage of your choice. And you can fold it pretty easy. You know, down here. You can see everything So really nice TV tray. Get it now. Back to school sales going on. Probably Prime Day, big deal days are coming up again. So definitely keep checking back. But if you want this now, it's on sale. Be safe. Have a good night.